Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you again. Yesterday I used artificial intelligence to reword original content that I wrote to help me mass produce a lot of free blogs. I'm using blogger.com to mass produce a lot of blogs to get into the search engines because I show ads and I promote affiliate links, and it will help me earn more daily passive income faster. Well, I just used it to create fresh content from the content that was reworded as an introductory blog post leading to a blog page. Let me show you. This is incredible. And I completed it in under 15 minutes, and it was my first time. I'm going to show you what I just worked on today. I can't believe how fast I produced this work and how much better I've gotten. And learning how to navigate the Blogger platform to produce pretty good work considering it's free. They give you a lot of choices. I put together this foundation, this blog foundation. It's all free. And I played around with the text, and I added an image and, the color scheme and the background. You have to do all of that. So the foundation is here. What I used it for, this content right here, I tweaked it a little bit, but it wrote it for me. And I'm going to show you how I produced this in under 15 minutes. And it's good quality work. Okay, I have browsers open. Damn it. There we go. I'm using Grammarly artificial intelligence. And I'm in a 7-day free trial. I highlighted this work, and it produced new fresh content for me as an introductory blog post for this freebie blog. This introduction, this is the home page, and the blog post will show on the home page, and when people click here at the bottom, they will be sent to a page. This is really a blog post. This is a blog page, and that's all the content that the AI produced yesterday. It reworded my original content. So you know what I'm doing here. Let me go back to this. I have a couple of tabs open. This one was already done. I'm going to show you how I did it. This is the reworded content from my original content from this specific page on myincomejob.com. This is a blog post, and I use WordPress, and I do pay for this. But this is my original content. I used Grammarly to reword all of that content, and here it is. It produced it. This is all reworded. Well, I'm going to take it a step further because I did create an introductory blog post at this new blog, Ways to Make Extra Money, which leads the reader, when they click here, to the blog page. Let me show you how I did it. I'm going to click on Generative AI. I have to do it twice every time. There you go. Give it a moment. It will populate. There you go. It's endless choices with the AI, but I'm going to show you what I chose for the first time to produce that introductory blog post, leading readers to a blog page. They give you a lot of choices here. I thought I was going to use generate ideas for a blog post. I didn't for this. I used write an engaging introductory email. I'm going to click it. And what I did was I took this content, I highlighted it, I copied it, I placed it in this field What information would you like to share? Then I press this button right here. And it produced an email. It's producing another one now. It's different. I could use this too. But I chose the first one. I really liked it. And I did change it just a little bit. Here, I'll show you. This is all AI produced right here. I liked what I read. It produced it. I said, great. I changed the first paragraph to be more fitting. And I changed the last paragraph. I added it to the blog. I clicked publish. In under 15 minutes, my first time. And then I browsed around for an hour. It's unbelievable. When you set everything up, the solid foundations, and perfect your skills, and gain more, training, experience. There's no reason why I can't bang out freebie blogs. I should bang out one a week. From the work I already have created myself, original content at myincomejob.com. With the work I have there now, I should be able to bang out for the next 5 weeks a freebie blog. You have to pick the theme and set it up, and that takes about an hour. I probably could have done it faster, but I was browsing around and also learning how to navigate in the back end of Blogger. It's just like anything else. You have to learn how to use the software program. That takes time, but this time I'm a lot faster. Years ago, I found this intimidating. I'm going through it. I remember that. I know how to use it. I know what to do now. That's incredible. They give you a lot of options for free. A lot of functions. Why not utilize it? They want, just like YouTube, in my opinion, like a YouTube partner, they earn more money from their advertisers using their platform because of creators like us. The more blogs I put out there, and it's professionally done, and I make sure I do all the back end work that when I submit it, it will get approved. Google likes that. This is going to be quality work from original content I produced. And I'm going to produce more original content with the help of AI in a fraction of the time. Incredible. I could keep going on, but I wanted to show you what I produced. I browsed around. I'll do a video about showing the back end of Blogger. It's amazing. It's an amazing free service. And to produce this work in under 15 minutes, and that includes the link and the header and the title and of this post, which leads to people, if they click on here, it leads them to the page. I mean, come on. And soon there will be ads here, and I will create a couple of banners leading people to myincomejob.com. And it goes on and on and on and on. There's no cap. You just keep expanding. Eventually, right now I'm really focused and I'm producing the work that will earn me more daily residual income every day. But eventually, I'm going to be running my business 10 hours a week. Unless I want to work on it more. I love doing it. I go through waves. I love doing it. But I get very, it's daunting when you know you're going to sit down and learn something new. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. Because I've used blogger.com before. And now I have so much experience with WordPress. This was cake. This was easy. This was fast. I'm a pro. And now I'm going to just bang out freebie blogs and change the titles and just use AI to produce fresh new content. And it's all going to be approved because I took the time to do the hard work first. And now I'm having fun with it. Guys, if you want to win, you can write about any topic you love, that you're passionate about. When you like something, you don't mind doing the research. You don't mind writing about it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And I'll see you in the next video clip.